Good morning, 10th students. Okay, we are going to study about today lymphatic system. You know that blood continuously flow through tissues and blood capillaries, blood vessels. Okay, during the times at some junctions, some solid particles and some liquid fluid, okay, will be which comes out of the tissues and which will again enter into blood circulation. Okay, recollect and again enter into blood circulation like this. So at a certain stage, you know that due to over journey, okay, over journey means a long journey, you might have seen that your leg will be swollen or your elders leg will be swollen. Why? What may be the reason? Why that is happened so? Swollen legs. So that stage is called edema stage. Okay, that stage is called edema. Okay, edema stage. So that is because of this. So the tissue fluid which is present accumulated in the feet and leg will be swollen. And here see this is heart. So heart collect blood from the veins and it will send to body parts. Okay, arteries. Okay, to arteries, it will arteries reaches to cells. Okay, so cells and tissues. So in the tissues the nutrients will be supplied to the cells. Okay, and through the blood capillaries. See here, small blood capillaries will reach into the cells and tissues. Okay, and supply to the nutrients to the tissues. Okay, so to supply nutrient to the cells tissues, the liquid portion of the blood with nutrients flow out of the capillaries. So this is called tissue fluid. So this is called a tissue fluid which is come out of the cells. So tissue fluid transport the blood to blood vessels again. So tissue fluid what will do? It will transport into the blood vessels again. Okay, recurrent. Some portion of tissue fluid enters venules. Some portion of tissue fluid enters into the venules. Venules means venous system. Okay, so small venules, small hair-like venules, it forms large veins, and from large veins like superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, it will reach us to the heart. Okay, like this. So what about remaining tissue fluids? Okay, the remaining tissue fluid what happens to transport the tissue fluid in main blood streams. So a separate system is present. So this is called lymphatic system. Okay, so lymph means water in Latin. Okay, so lymphatic system is a parallel system to the venous system. Okay, vein system. So which collect tissue fluid from tissues and transport into the venous system. See here, this is a parallel system. So lymphatic system, this is a venous system. Okay, so lymph is a vital means important. It's a link between blood and tissues. So it is important link. So here blood is what? Blood is consists of solid plus liquid particles. Solid and liquid particles like blood. And lymph is having only liquid particles without blood cells, means without solid particles. Understand? So lymph I have. And tissue fluid means lymph present in the tissue is called tissue fluid. Next, what is the liquid portion after blood clot is called serum. Okay, so after blood clot, the liquid portion which is present floating over the blood clot is called serum. Okay, when skeletal muscles contracts, okay, then lymph flow into the lymphatic system. Okay, lymph vessels, and blood flows in a venous system. Okay, vein vessels. Okay, after that it reaches to the heart. Understand? So both lymphatic system and venous system vessels consist of valves. Okay, the valves, you know importance of valves, which stop the reverse flow of blood. Okay, see the diagram. Understand, children? So this is about lymphatic system. These are the points you have to write and send. Thank you. Have a nice day.